Today we will start our second experiment for electrical 4th sem students, and the aim of the experiment is to study of 3-point starter, connect and run a DC shunt motor and measure the no load current. Now students, in this experiment we will understand why a starter is required in a motor, and we will also know the starting current drawn by these motors. Now students, the theory part. In the theory part, we have the primary function of a starter is to limit the current or the starting current at the starting time of the motor. The back EMF is 0. So at the starting time, the current is dangerously high. Hence, a motor can be damaged. So starter is used to minimize the starting current. So we have to suitably select a starter. So a 3-point starter and a 4-point starters are used. Now students, let us understand the theory part for 3-point starter. Now in a 3-point starter, there are terminals available to the starter and are named as 3-point because we have 3 points available, which is marked I, Z, A or L, F, A. So you will have to write down this 3-point starter theory, and we have shown you in your video also what is the function of 3-point starter. Now the function of no load release coil. The function of the coil is to held on the arm of the full running position, then the motor is normal operation. In case of failure or disconnection of the supply, it will get off to off position. Now students, there is the diagram for a 3-point starter, which we have to draw in your record copy, and obviously this is a 3-point starter, and you have to write down the no load current and the load current in amperes, which is in your video. Now students, we have a discussion questions also. In the discussion questions, you will find write the function of no bolt coil. What is the function of overload release coil? Where is the 3-point starter used? What is the material used for making and used for 3-point starter? So this was all about this experiment. We have to write this and properly draw its diagram and submit it when we will ask you to submit in Google Meet. Okay, thank you for watching students.